What if I told you that the average B2B founder spends 65% of their sales time on tasks that don't directly generate revenue? I'm Tony Koenig from Scaling Founder, and I have got flu. And I recently worked with a B2B company whose team was drowning in manual sales tasks, working 60 hours a week just to keep up. After implementing the automation system I'm about to show you, they reclaimed 15 hours weekly per rep while increasing their pipeline by 36%. Today, I'm revealing the automation framework that's giving smart B2B founders their time back in 2025. If you are a B2B founder spending endless hours on data entry, follow-ups, scheduling, proposals, and reporting, this video is specifically for you. Sales automation isn't about replacing human connection. It's about eliminating the busy work that keeps you from focusing on high-value activities. Let me show you the exact automation system that's transforming B2B sales teams right now. The fundamental problem most B2B founders face is manual sales process overload. This typically manifests in four key areas. First, data entry hell. Manual logging every interaction, updating contact details, and moving deals through stages in your CRM. Studies show that reps spends an average of 5 hours weekly just on data entry. Second, follow-up failure. Inconsistent or forgotten follow-ups due to manual tracking, despite research saying 80% of sales requiring 5% touches, 5+ touches to convert. That's a biggie. Third, scheduling chaos. The endless email ping pong to find meeting times recurring or resulting in 3+ hours weekly wasted time and coordination. And fourth, reporting black holes. Spending hours compiling results and insights that should be automatically available. These manual processes aren't just inefficient, they actively preventing you from spending time on what actually drives revenue, meaningful conversations with prospects and customers. This manual process overload is creating serious consequences for your business. Firstly, massive time waste. The average B2B sales rep spends over 65% of their time on non-selling activities. For a team of 5, that's 130+ hours weekly on tasks that don't directly generate revenue. Second, follow-up inconsistency. This is a big one. Study shows that 48% of salespeople never make a single follow-up attempt, largely because manual processes make it difficult to track and execute consistently. Then third, slowed response times. This is also massive. The average lead response time is 42 hours when using manual processes, despite research showing a 7x decrease in qualification likelihood after just 1 hour. Fourth, data quality erosion. Manual data entry creates a 30 to 40% error rate in most CRMs, leading to missed opportunities and poor decision making. And then the final one, the fifth one, and most critically, limited scalability. When your processes rely on manual effort, your growth becomes directly tied to headcount, creating a business that can't efficiently scale. In the description, I'll have a link to our newly formed scaling quest. So you see your scaling readiness quest. Go and check it out. The B2B company I mentioned, Had 3 reps spending 15 hours weekly each on tasks that could be automated. That's 45 hours of sales capacity evaporating weekly, time that should be spent closing deals. Okay, so let me introduce you to the Freedom Through Automation framework, the 4-part system that's giving B2B founders their time back. Component 1, process mapping. Documenting your sales workflow from lead to close with clear entry-exit criteria for each stage. Component 2, automation hierarchy. Prioritizing automation opportunities based on time saved and implementation complexity. Then component 3, core automation pillars. Implementing the 5 essential automation types: data capture, follow-up sequences, meeting scheduling, proposal generating, and reporting. And then component 4, human automation balance. Strategically deciding where human touch creates value and where automation creates efficiency. When implemented correctly, this framework eliminates 60 to 80% of manual sales tasks while improving, not sacrificing, the customer experience. So let me show you how this works in practice with a B2B company I mentioned. Their 3 reps were spending 45 combined hours weekly on manual tasks, working nights and weekends just to keep up. We implemented the Freedom Through Automation framework. And then first what we did is we mapped the entire process, identifying exactly where time was being wasted on manual tasks. Then we prioritized automations based on time-saving impact, starting with the biggest time wasters. Then third, we implemented 5 core automations: CRM data capture from email and LinkedIn interactions, automated follow-up sequences triggered by prospect behavior, calendar integration for self-scheduling, template-based proposal generation, automated dashboard reporting. And then fourth, we deliberately kept personalized outreach and discovery calls as human-led activities, where the personal touch created value. The results: each rep reclaimed 15 hours weekly, time they reinvested in high-value prospect conversions and conversations. Pipeline grew 36% within 60 days. Response time to lead dropped from hours to minutes, and team burnout disappeared as reps started leaving 5 p.m. instead of 8 p.m. All by working smarter, not harder, through strategic automation. Therefore, if you are stuck in manual sales processes and want to reclaim your time, I've created a free sales automation quick start guide that includes the time value audit worksheet to identify your biggest automation opportunities, the 5 essential automation templates you can implement this week, and a CRM automation checklist for optimal setup. The link is in the description below. And if you're ready to completely transform your sales process with automation, check out my comprehensive B2B sales growth hacking masterclass on Udemy. In module 4, we go through this entire process of automating your sales with these exact strategies and more. We walk you through step by step. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to get more strategies for reclaiming your time and scaling your sales. And let me know in the comments which manual sales task is eating up the most of your time. I personally respond to every comment. This is Tony Kuna from Scaling Founder, and I'm committed to helping you automate the busy work so you can focus on what really matters. I'll see you in the next video.